everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? Hope you're good. Guess what? It's week 12 of hashtag 12 weeks of Christmas 2022. It was hosted by B&D Crafts and More and Kelly Creative Dreams. My projects I'm about to share, yes, I have more than one, were things given to me to alter. And then I upcycled a few items as well. So the first one I'm about to show is this little book. I call it a book. It looks like a book, but it actually is a box. Sabrina gifted me this last year, probably about this time. And it had a J in the center. It had flowers, and I took that all off. I gessoed it. I painted it red, and then I grunged it or I should have antiqued it or vintaged it a little bit, rustic. And I found this cool image of this. 'Twas the night before Christmas, Santa. And I got it on the side as well as the back. But when you open it, ta-da! Was the night before Christmas when all through the house not a creature was stirring, not even a mouse. The stockings were hung by the chimney with care in hopes that St. Nicholas soon would be there. The children were nestled all snug in their beds while visions of sugar plums danced in their heads. So, that was a little saying I got off Google Images as well as the Santa. This is Tim Holtz paper on this side as well as the back side. This is little birdie stickers that I had. And I have this little Dollar Tree, and this garland is what I upcycled. So that's what that looks like. You can sit it like this. It doesn't close because of the garland on top, but there is a magnet right there. So if I didn't have that there, it would have closed better, but that's all right. That's for me. So we'll set that like there. Now the next thing, I believe the card came from Sabrina. It was not signed, but I think she had these, and I asked her for one. And this is a cutting board from the Dollar Tree. And this is a Christmas card. What do you all do with your Christmas cards you receive? I keep mine. Because I always see, I can make that into something. Ta-da! So all this is a cutting board from the Dollar Tree, and I painted it, and I put some fabric on the back side. It's black and grayish. And then I took all these little pieces of ribbon I had, and I just stacked them and took a pipe cleaner and twisted them together. And then these are little bows from the Dollar Tree. This is the bow I received, and I have some little other things in here. Like this is stretchy stuff. I got that going around here as well as here, and that's a wall hanging. And you look, you can see the truck is kind of up. So that's that one. And then I have two more that is this one. This is a Christmas card I received. And I kept it because, of course, of the red truck in the barn. I just love it. And I did a fence line on here. These are popsicle sticks. I painted them. I made them rustic or distressed a little bit. This is that garland I upcycled. That's a Christmas card I upcycled. This is a canvas. And I just turned it the opposite way. This is that garland. And it's also, I can hang it like from that. Got these little bows from the Dollar Tree. And that's that one. And I made another one with another Christmas. Oh, and there's a star on this tree. It's hard to see, but it's there. And then on this one, same concept, just different Christmas card. So I changed the bows around. As you can see, it's green in this one, red, green. This one's red, green, red. Same thing. But them are my upcycled Christmas cards. This one says Season Greetings, Home for the Holidays. Got a star right on that one. Same thing, little canvases from the Dollar Tree. Maybe. I don't remember. But very easy, simple project. Like I said, upcycled the garland. And look at the cute little wall hangings you have. So this is my projects for this week, guys. This was fun. I enjoyed doing this. I hope you guys have a safe and wonderful Christmas season. And I hope to see you next year or some other collab. I enjoyed doing these Christmas collab. If you have any collabs you know about, let me know, because I love doing little projects each week. So Thank you, Brian and Kelly, for letting me join into your collab, and I hope everybody has a safe Christmas and a happy New Year. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now. Bye.